guys. We are doing problem 2.11 from the text, the data mining text, and in it we are using the Toyota Corolla data set that was given to us. And basically we are going to go through the first couple of steps of data mining. And first we're going to explore it using some scatter plot matrix. And we're going to try and see if we can find out what variables have some kind of correlation between them. So to do this, we're going to be using our raw data here. And we're going to go into Excel Miner. And we're going to go into Explore and do Chart Wizard. We're going to go ahead and pick our scatter plot matrix. And go ahead and hit Next. And then we're going to just pick some of the variables to see which ones we think might have some kind of a relation. So there may be something based on the model with price. There also could be possibly something with horsepower. No, let's leave that one off. I was thinking about color too, but I'm not sure if that affects price or anything. Maybe if it's an automatic or not. Possibly its weight. And if it has power steering. So let's see what this gives us. So we have model, price, automatic, weight, and power steering. And when this comes up, now see, why does it do this? Why do I have blank? Does that mean that there is absolutely no relation between any of them? Because I know that there's a correlation between weight and price, so why am I not at least seeing something here? So let me exit out of this. I'm going to try it again. So let's go into Excel Miner. We're going to explore Chart Wizard and Scatterplot Matrix. And I did double check. It does have the right area. So let's go ahead and do price. Like I said, I know that there's a correlation between price and weight. And power steering. Oops, not powered windows. Powered steering. And how about analog brake system? So we have 4. Let's see what this brings us. Okay, and here we now have our chart, but you will see that even though there's some kind of scatter here versus the straight lines of some of these others between price and weight, I don't know if this is what we can call traditionally as a true correlation, because it should either be negative correlated, meaning it's going from the right to the left negatively, or it should be positive, meaning it's going from left to right. So while this obviously looks different than the straight lines that some of these others have, I don't know if this necessarily means there's a correlation. But this is one chart that has come out. So let's go ahead and save this one with price, weight. Let's see, what else did I have? ABS. And power steering. All right, now let's try another one. Let's see if we can get some kind of a correlation going on here. We're going to do a scatter plot. And let's do price, kilometers, horsepower, cylinders, and let's see what this gives us. We have 4 here. Oh, yay! I finally have one that has some kind of a correlation like I was just talking about. It's a negative correlation, but still it's a correlation, and that's between price and kilometers. So basically what that means is that as the kilometers go more and more, then the price gets lower and lower, which we would expect that, because if you're buying a car that has very few, well, we would say miles down here,